In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a card website. If you've ever wanted to duplicate a site so you can try out a new design, test changes safely, or reuse a layout for a different project, cloning your card site is the fastest and cleanest way to do it. I'll walk you through the full process from the dashboard to opening your copied site, and I'll share a few helpful notes along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, head to Card and sign into your account, then open your dashboard. This is the main hub where all your sites live, each displayed as a card with a preview. Take a second to confirm you're in the right workspace or account if you use more than one, so you're looking at the correct list of sites. Next, find the website you want to copy in your list. You can scroll through your sites or glance at the thumbnails to spot it quickly. If you've named your projects clearly, this part is easy. Otherwise, look for the familiar preview image or description that matches the site you want to duplicate. On the site's card, look for the clone option. It typically appears as an icon or a button that says clone. Click it. You won't have to make a lot of choices here. Card handles the duplication for you. The clone will include the page structure, content, styles, and settings from the original, so you start with a perfect replica. Now, give it a moment. Card will create a duplicate of the site in the background. For most projects, this only takes a few seconds. Larger sites with more sections or media may take a touch longer. You might see a brief loading indicator, and that's normal. When the copy is ready, it will appear on your dashboard as a separate site. Click the copied version to open it. From here, you can edit or customize freely. Tweak text, swap images, adjust colors, and change layout details without affecting the original. It's a good idea to update the title of your copied site right away so you can tell it apart at a glance. While you work, double-check any links or integrations you've used. Forms, external embeds, or services may need a quick review to make sure everything still points where you want. And that's it. You now have a standalone copy of your card website that you can modify, experiment with, and repurpose, all while keeping the original untouched.